Today's video comes from Sizewell and Leiston Social Club. Classic car day. Quick sweep of the field, and then I'll take a walk and stop at a couple of interesting cars. So here we have a 1949 Mark V Jaguar, beautiful old thing. It's a little write up. Hopefully that gets into focus. You can press pause and have a quick read. Some lovely swooping lines. So this very clean, tidy Mark I Escort. It's a 940cc and it's a French registered car originally. Completely original and unwelded. When I had 1100 one of these years ago, it was pretty underpowered, so I'd imagine that this would struggle with some hills. So it's a good job we're in Norfolk and Suffolk, as it's pretty flat. So, Mark II Crowford Cortina. Looks very tidy. So this is quite a rare thing nowadays. 440 turbo Volvo. Never really liked them when they were new, so to speak. So nice to see one these days though. It's very clean. Now I do like a Triumph Stag and I do like green, so another tidy example. Got the old stop lock on the dash. Here we have a very nice XK120.
Yeah.
Anyway, hopefully we'll
Said to Alex yesterday. I hope.
beautifully finished.
That's lovely, isn't it?
So quite a rare sight, an original Morris Mini with the old sliding windows and the old buckets in the door card there. You could fit quite a few litres of 2 litre bottles of drink in there. That's just a little bit of bump, get it in focus. Heritage certificate.
Live into the masses.
Bit special this Capri, being a broad speed. Do love a rear louver. And then a 280 Capri. Looks like the owner stopped for a chat with the other 2 Capris. It's a nice 280. The old Brooklands. Midget leaving, and the Monza GSE also leaving. Old Ford Thames, great bit of advertising. And then alongside him, got a little A30 van. Again, these old vehicles are becoming quite popular for companies to showcase themselves with. So we have a collection of minis. This is probably the most interesting mini here. It's a Mini Cooper, but it's the Innocenti, which is the Italian arm of the Mini. So as you'd expect, it's left-hand drive, and I believe these were made on licence in Italy. Don't know too much, but there's quite a few gauges. Seats are a bit more shaped. So here we have one of the American land yachts, a Cadillac Coupe de Ville. I think these could really take off with those wings. Look at that. The iconic rear lights as well as the fins. Quite a few empty spaces now, so people are looking to go home. The old Allegro Super. Cortina. It's got some heavy patina on it, so could well be original. And here we have something that's quite rare. You don't really see many of these anymore. An old 4x4 turbo Calibra. It's very tidy looking. Pretty quick car in its day, and I don't think it's no slouch today either, really. So yeah. See you later. See you, Gary.